This could be considered the biggest heist in the history of humanity.
It's irrefutable. It's absolutely irrefutable that this is true.
The drafters of the laws that created this corrupt system were very clear about what they were trying to do.
And you know their names. FDIC, 401ks, they're gonna protect us. But what if those same systems were actually designed to take from us, to loot the country?
Right now, every IRA, every brokerage account, every 401k is completely vulnerable of being taken in the event of a widespread custodial collapse.
You are not the registered owner of the stocks and bonds that you think you own that are sitting there in your 401k.
ITR Economics was founded in the wake of the last Great Depression, essentially to find the next one. We have found it, and it is coming.
Everyone knows about the Great Depression. Very few people understand just how severe it was. Their bank accounts disappeared, and they never got the money back. That happened, and yet somehow we assume that could never happen again.
Why don't more people know about this?
The bank lobbyists have a lot to lose. They are preventing people from believing it's true.
The big bankers show up and actually just threaten the whole state of Tennessee.
The concern here simply does not apply. It would be a criminal act for them to do what is alleged to be the problem.
Did you hear that silliness?
Yeah.
At the end of that crap, it makes no sense.
Yeah.
We lost both of them.
Boomers are retiring into an economic worst-case scenario.
The stock market could decline from peak to trough somewhere on the order of 45%.
45% down?
45%.
Over how long of a period?
You're afraid.
No. I'm not afraid. I'm terrified.
Legislators in every state took those rights away, all without you having any knowledge of what was going on.
In my opinion, it is a matter of when. There's no if about it.
How could they prepare in the event of calamity?
My father, Herbert Stein, very, very famous economist, famously said, if something cannot go on forever, it will stop.
It doesn't matter who's in charge. The outcome is essentially the same, and the outcome is in the books already.
Will you vote in the best interests of the people who elected you? Or will you vote in the best interests of the bank lobby?
It's game time.